And I pray God that in the next 1-2 weeks I'll be able to reach him. I'll try and reach the Minister of Defense, David Umahi. These are two prominent Igbo sons who are, one is a governor.
Matawale,
he's chairman of Southeast Governors Forum, he's chairman of Progressive Governors. So he's in a very top level to have access to governance. David Umahi, to all intents and purposes, was one of the best performing governors in this country. If you go
David Umahi, the Minister of Works?
Yes. Why don't you take into what I'm saying? What I'm saying is that we need their influence to put our people together, all our governors, with our legislators, especially at the federal level, to approach the president of this country and ask. We are not begging. The Court of Appeal has discharged this boy from all the charges leveled against him to ask for his discharge, for his release. If Nnamdi Kanu is released today, there will be 90% peace in the Southeast. A lot of people are carrying out criminal activities on the basis of the fact that he's being detained unjustly. If you hear that he's released today, that part of the country would have had some level of peace. And then we can attach our attention to Boko Haram and bandits and herdsmen and what have you. So, but if you don't have a government that is sitting down to have a proper analysis of what the problems are, then it is difficult to know what to do. But I'm interested in what happens in the Southeast now. I must reach the Imo governor, reach Umahi, to organize the other governors with our legislators, especially our senators, to approach the president to get this young man released. That he said he wants justice and fairness for his people. Is it a crime? You may not like his methodology, but what he's asking is not a crime.
Okay,
if you go there, there are hundreds of people in detention in DSS, and more than half of them are Igbos. I got this information yesterday. A lot of people are languishing, dying in that place. What kind of democracy are we running? That people between Benue and Plateau states, and they were not declared terrorists.
All right, Chief, the government of the day at the time Nnamdi was taken in said they were not happy with his methodology. In fact, they believed he was inciting some young people, in the Southeast to take up arms maybe against state, agencies and all that, or institutions of government. Whether that is the true position of things still remains to be seen. But in your engagement, because if you're saying that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, then the killings in the Southeast will cease, then it will also mean saying that the killings are being carried out by ipods members, which they have vehemently denied in certain cases. So is it that other people, or other elements of criminality are now using the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is being held and are carrying out this problem, or is it a politically motivated killing? So what exactly do you think is happening?
That's what I just said here about 3-4 minutes ago. That people are using the fact that he's being detained. Criminals use it as a platform now to carry out atrocities. Because those who believe in, frivolities, if you believe in, some form of storytelling, this is happening there. This is happening to Igbos. For instance, look at the government of Buhari. Look at the appointments he made. And it's happening in this same government. 90% of everything that concerns finance in this country goes to Southwest. People are complaining everywhere, not just now in the East, the whole of the North. The Fulani areas are complaining that you don't make government to be a private business. You don't know what problems that will develop even further. As we're discussing what is going on, people deliberately create more problems. How can one zone have Minister of Finance, Internal Revenue, Central Bank Governor, Post Authority, every component in where the major resources of the country comes out from, one section of the country takes it over. And you think others will go to sleep? There's a limit to which the sleeping dog will lie. So these are problems we inflict on our